Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to revolutionize mobile technology, particularly for gamers, by leveraging Qualcomm's recently unveiled Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The entire S25 lineup, from the base model to the Ultra, will exclusively feature this powerhouse processor, as Samsung has decided against using the Exynos 2500 in some models, contrary to initial rumors. This shift underscores the Snapdragon 8 Elite's superior performance in CPU and GPU tasks, essential for demanding applications like gaming. One of the most exciting innovations is Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine 2.0. This feature enables games typically capped at 60 Hz to achieve a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate through frame interpolation, delivering fluid visuals without overloading the hardware. Additionally, Snapdragon Game Super Resolution technology enhances gaming by upscaling in-game resolutions, providing sharper and more detailed visuals without taxing the device's battery or causing overheating. Samsung's Game Assist suite, integrated into the S25 series, takes full advantage of these advancements. It optimizes frame rates and resolution while keeping the phone cool, ensuring an unparalleled gaming experience even for titles not natively optimized for high refresh rates. Coupled with the improved CPU and GPU performance of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the S25 series promises not just gaming excellence, but also enhanced productivity and entertainment capabilities. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max retains its signature flat-edge design, now featuring slimmer bezels and a 6.9-inch display. Meanwhile, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra offers curved edges and the versatile S Pen, catering to power users. While the iPhone is slightly taller, the S24 Ultra's extra width accommodates the S Pen, giving it a productivity edge. Both devices boast cutting-edge displays with 120 Hz refresh rates and always-on features. Samsung's anti-reflective coating enhances outdoor visibility, while the iPhone introduces a new feature allowing brightness to drop to just 1 nit for comfortable nighttime use. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the 18 Pro chip, delivering top-tier efficiency and sustained performance. Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while strong in gaming and graphics, may throttle slightly earlier under extreme conditions. Apple leads in CPU benchmarks, whereas Samsung excels in 3D graphics, making both devices powerhouses for different use cases. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a triple camera setup with a 48MP main sensor and a new 48MP ultra-wide sensor, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a 200MP main camera alongside multiple zoom and ultra-wide options. Apple shines with its natural color reproduction, while Samsung's cameras produce more vibrant and detailed images, particularly in low-light scenarios. For video, Apple edges out with 4K recording at 125ths. The S24 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery slightly outlasts the iPhone's 4,685 mAh counterpart. Additionally, Samsung supports 45W wired charging and reverse wireless charging, giving it a lead over Apple's slower 20W charging. Apple's iOS offers a polished and intuitive experience, while Samsung's One UI provides greater customization and utility, particularly with the S Pen integration. Both the Samsung Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S24 Ultra promise to set new standards in mobile innovation. Whether you're a gamer eyeing the S25's advanced gaming features or a productivity-focused user drawn to the S24 Ultra's S Pen and versatile capabilities, these devices offer something exceptional for everyone. Similarly, Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max remains a strong contender with its unmatched software ecosystem and consistent performance.